Hello everybody, we're here at the Hoosier Classic. Today's July 2nd. I'll show you some pigeons. They just came in a short while ago from flying and we're kind of disturbing their meal a little bit. Blue white flight 094 AFL, 094 AFL IF. You can see the 9th and 10th are back. 7th is in. 8th popped, so just waiting on the 8th and then this will have a full wing. Some more molting to do around the face and the head. This pigeon will be complete. Nice white wattle, clear throat, clean throat. Give me another one, Jim. Blue bar cock. BCC 917. 9th and 10ths are back, tails are back. Nice strong pigeon. BCC 917. Still some cleaning up to do, but you can see they've been moving. They've been flying. You leave them out in the morning and they go. Been pretty hot this past week. Very nice clean wattle. Been warming up, so the loft flying has slowed down just a little bit, but we get them up early and they go. We still have a month before we train. The birds look good where we're at. We'll move down and see. Catch anything? Very nice pigeon. NHF 1525 IF. Very nice pigeon. 9th and 10th are almost, well, 9th is back, 10th got a little more to go, and we're waiting on the 8th. Same scenario, just a little bit more cleaning up with the molt, and we'll be training a complete pigeon. Clean throat, white wattle, clear eyes, clean eyes. We've cut down a lot this year on the one-eye colds, and I think I have to give credit to we added in a bunch of these sliding doors, and we closed in our front hallway. This was the graded floor. Book Richardson was here from Arizona for last year's race, and he first thing he pointed out was get rid of the graded floor. He said you don't live in Arizona, a different climate, and so we did that, and it really kept the house nice as far as respiratory. Check splash Cockford, Greek 1201 Greek check splash. So it has the 8th flight just about to pop. I don't want to pull it apart there, but 8th flight is just about to pop. Very well handling pigeon. Bodied out, very nice, very muscular. There are over 4,900 pigeons here. They don't all handle the same. They don't all muscle up the same at this time, but then in the next month, it's our job to get them all there. This is a very nice pigeon. Greek 1201. Check splash. I think it's a cock. AA 16122. AA 16122. Blue bar. Still has some molting to do here in the flights, but 9th and 10th are back. Let's see where it's at. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th flight popped. So 3 more to drop. But for the final race, that's what we're after, is a full win for the final race, 350 miles. And I'm very, very happy with the health. The health of the pigeons are very good right now. Grizzle. Seventh is coming in. 8th is about to drop. 9th and 10th already. Nice body pigeon. JSC 359IF. 359IF. Grizzle cock. Nice bird. The health is there, so see what training does very soon. It's a nice pigeon. I have to compliment everybody that sent birds this year and every year. Every year the competition gets harder and harder because of quality. And this one is no different. This is Loft, ZHENG 19098. Blue check. Looks like the 8th flight is about to come in. 9th and 10th's back. It's like silk. She's a very silky handling pigeon. A little more cleanup to do on the molt. White wattles, clean eyes. You can't ask for anything better. Again, that's where we're at on the condition. We have not trained any pigeons. They just loft fly. And I like where they're at. We'll do a few more. It's 92 degrees here, and we got to refill water for the birds. It's a younger pigeon, ARPU 16121. ARPU 16121. The tent is almost back. Let's see where it's at. Blue bar hen. Nice and clean. Yeah, you want to move down and we'll get them out of different rooms. Again. Okay, Mexico, FMC Mex 181703. I don't know whose bird this is, but it's a nice one. So we're at remember, we cut the 9th and 10th, and we pull them. So these flights are already back. Birds just have to finish up here. Tails are in. Nice and slick. Beautiful white wattle. Everything you want to see. Well, we're going to do a couple more and then we're out. Where you at, Kyle? All right. We'll do one more. Find any bird anywhere. And you'd always do a few more in a couple days. Blue check. I don't know. I think it's going to be a cock. Zuba Loft. Excuse my pronunciation. S-Z-U-B-A. Loft. S-Z-U-B-A. 42. 708 area code on the band, so it's a Chicago bird. That's where it's at. Nice and healthy. No dirty eye sears, no dirt on the wattles. This is the last one. We got to change waters out. First one with a lot of water. SCHE 3143. Blue bar. Can't tell if it's going to be a hen or a cock. See, the 10th is almost back. So we're right around the 4th flight on this one. Again, they all look the same. Majority look the same. We do get our fair share of a problem pigeon every now and then. This year's been very good. Health is right now. You can't ask for it to be any better at this time of the game, this point of the game. So now we just let the birds do what they want for a month. We'll start training maybe towards the end of the first week of August, and we'll move them out slow and